John Fedro here, and these are crazy, weird times that we're living in right now. Certainly unprecedented. Maybe it is precedented. The virus that's going around. It seems like every day on the news, and in reality, our worlds are changing. New things are happening. Whether it's just fear-based or whether it's reality, this is going to affect mobile home investing. It's already affecting mobile home investing, but for how long and what does that exactly mean? Here are some things that I believe we might see or we already are seeing. This is what I'm going to be moving forward with in my business. And let's talk about this. So with regards to buying mobile homes, there's three ways I kind of see it. There's buying, there's holding mobile homes, and then there's selling mobile homes. When we're buying mobile homes, you might see park offices that are already closing. Park offices are shutting down. They have a sign in the front saying, due to COVID-19, we are working from home, we're working remotely, please call this number. Still accepting applications, still selling mobile homes, still filling mobile homes, but you might see that park offices are closed, so they're doing more things virtually over the phone. There's still sellers needing to sell, whether they want to sell the home and take the money and move somewhere else, or they're not even living in the home anymore, they're not living in the state anymore, they still want to sell. So there's still sellers definitely selling. And then parks not taking payments. I know that there's some banks around, or maybe that might be at the federal level, that banks are suspending payments. I don't know if that's going to be the same for parks. Time will tell. And if they do hold off on taking lot rent payments, is that going to be for 1 month? And then is it going to be, well, we forgive you for 1 month, but then you have to make it up the next month? So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I don't see parks not taking payments unless things get very bad, which some people you talk to, it's 1930, depression all over again, and other folks, it's going to blow right over. So we really don't know what's going to happen. Now, I can say that there will be some people that definitely have trouble, some tenant buyers or some residents that do have trouble paying. Now, in 2008, 2009, I was seeing, when the market went down, I was seeing that a lot of handy folks, construction tradespeople, they were having trouble because the home constructions were going down, there wasn't as many jobs for them, and they didn't have the money to pay. So that was mostly just in the construction field. This is not the same thing. This is affecting everyone. I mean, if there's some sort of quarantine or we can't go to work, you are going to have some tenant buyers have trouble paying. Now, we should be at the top of the priority list, paying for the home. It's not the cable bill, it's not the cell phone bill, it's not this or that, it's where people are going to live. So we should be at the top of the bill paying list, but there will be some people that do have trouble paying. And I want to work with people. That's part of what we do as mobile home investors. We work with people. Trying not to touch my face. How I'm running my business is the same way that I typically always do. If you've been with me for a while, if you're paying on time and bad things happen, I am going to work with you. I'm going to extend a few olive branches. So if you're still trying, you're still showing effort, you're still paying something, that's great. That's definitely what I'm looking for. You clearly are fighting for this home. And yes, you may not have, or the tenant buyer may not have a lot of savings, but I want to see effort, that they are paying something, and that they're not avoiding my calls. They're not, they're no calls, no show. That is never acceptable. So if folks are not calling you back because of something, that's not acceptable. Anytime, in my opinion, or almost any time. So, and then when it comes to selling mobile homes, it's kind of business as semi-usual. We're still doing a lot of things over the phone. We're still using Lockbox to show our properties a lot of the times, and there's still buyers looking for good deals. So I hope all of this makes sense. This could all be very different if we start having to be quarantined in our homes, and is it that way for a couple days or for a couple weeks? And then life will get back to semi-normal or to normal. So I wanted to make this video. Who knows what's going to happen? This is sort of a changing thing day to day, but life will continue forward and persist and move on, and we will get through this. So stay calm-ish and be respectful to your neighbors. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or something else that we don't know, feel free to comment below, or you think something differently than what I'm saying here. Please feel free to comment. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.